My name is Chris Cristobal, Senior Production and Procedure Specialist with Sunon Incorporated USA. In this video, we're going to talk about the differences between sleeve bearings, ball bearings, and the Sunon state-of-the-art patented VAPO bearing design technology. We want to make it easier while making a bearing selection so you can choose the perfect fan for your application. Sleeve bearings are recognized as the most economical choice available, especially if a customer's application is generating low levels of heat. This condition makes a sleeve bearing fan an ideal solution. But there are some concerns to consider when designing a sleeve bearing solution. One commonly overlooked concern is temperature. If a customer's application temperature exceeds 70 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit, the lubricant oil in a sleeve bearing fan will evaporate and decrease the life expectancy of the fan. In general, the lifespan of sleeve bearing fans is already up to 50% shorter than a ball bearing or maglev solution. Another concern would be foreign particles such as dust. These particles in or around a product or device can contaminate the lubricating oil, which could affect performance and life expectancy. When you are designing in any sleeve bearing solution, consider the temperature and if foreign particles such as dust might be a factor. Sunon's proprietary VAPO bearing technology used in Sunon maglev fans is considered the ultimate in long life bearings. It has better shock handling than the sleeve and ball bearing options, a consistent noise characteristic while having a longer lifespan in the field. Maglev fan models are available in high speed and are great for applications that have higher CFM requirements. Sunon's maglev technology uses magnetics to levitate the impeller hub, resulting in less friction, less noise, and longer life for a lesser cost than a ball bearing solution. However, there are some concerns when using our maglev solutions. Sunon does not recommend maglev fans to be mounted in a horizontal position with the sleeve shaft seal opening at the bottom, as natural gravitation can cause the lubricant to pool in long periods of idleness, and some leakage may occur. Another restriction the maglev products have is a maximum IP rating of 21, which suggests a maglev solution may not be ideal for high dirt and particle environments. If your product needs the performance and reliability of a ball bearing fan and you don't have these restrictions, then a maglev solution could be a great money-saving option. Ball bearing fans are known to last 50% longer than sleeve bearings and on average run continuously for 5 years or 50,000 hours. This higher lifespan of a ball bearing fan over a long period of time can prove to be the most economical choice. Ball bearing fans, unlike sleeve bearing fans, utilize small metal balls guided and attached in a series by a metal cage. They roll inside two bored metal rings and use a thick grease lubricant to reduce friction. Ball bearing fans can be mounted in any orientation and will operate when the temperature rises to 70 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, if a customer's application is portable or intended to be frequently dropped with enough force, the small rolling metal balls in the bearing can dent the rings, cause debris, will become noticeably louder, and ultimately decrease the life expectancy of the fan. Another concern when looking into a ball bearing solution is the quality of the bearing itself. If you see a ball bearing solution with a price competitive to that of a sleeve, we highly recommend a second look at ball bearings. If you would like to know more about Sunon bearing types, please contact your regional Sunon sales manager on our website.